if I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. Stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. So Sally, get away. She knows it's too late. She's walking on by. Her soul slides away. So don't look back in anger. I heard you say, 'cause if you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Don't be mad when you see that he won it. 'Cause if you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. I got gloss on my lips, a man on my hips, hold me tighter than my dairy on jeans. Acting up, a drink in my cup, I couldn't care less what you think. I need no permission, did I mention? Don't pay him any attention. You had your turn, and now you're gonna learn what it really feels like to miss me. 'Cause if you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Don't be mad, I want you to see that he won it. 'Cause if you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Whoa, don't talk to me as if you think I'm done. I wanna know when you're gonna come. You see, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. 'Cause summer is here and I'm still waiting there. Winter is here and I'm still waiting there. And they say she's in class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. They scream the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand. Go mad for a couple of grams. She don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe she flies to the motherland, sells love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly, covered in white. You're irreplaceable, so go ahead, get gone. Call up that chick and see if she's home. Whoops, I bet you thought that I didn't. What did you think I was putting you out for? Because you was untrue, rolling around in a car that I bought you. Honey, drop them keys, hurry up before your taxi leaves. Standing in the front yard, telling me how I'm such a fool, talking about how I'm never gonna find